Hey, Bruce Naylor, aka Frugal Tech. Thank you so much for watching my video. I always appreciate it when you like my video, share them, and I always enjoy your comments down below. This is the new setup, and hope you like it. We're recording with the Panasonic FZ1000 camera, and the audio is being handled by a Roland digital recorder and a Audio-Technica, I think it's the AT3050 lav mic. And so that's what this is hopefully going to be how things are going to look on my videos from now on. I hope you like it. I'd like to hear from you on that. So it's good to be a fanboy. That's the title of the video. Let me tell you what's going on and what prompted me to make this video. So here lately, I've been saying some great stuff about Microsoft, including I think Windows 10 is going to be an awesome release. I know, I use it. I have it running in a virtual machine on my MacBook Pro, and I'm loving it. I think it's going to be killer awesome. I said that I was going to replace my iPad with a Surface 3. And so I've had a few people get in touch with me and say, you know, what's happened to you? Why aren't you sticking with Apple? It was ridiculous. But what happens if you're not a fanboy of anything and a fanboy of everything? Where do you fit in if you like a little of this, a little of that? And that's kind of where I'm at. Let me explain. I love Google services for my email, my calendaring, and contacts here at work. They sync nicely and play nicely with the apps that come from Apple for mail, calendar, and contacts. It works brilliantly. Does it work with Outlook on the Microsoft side of things? Sort of, kind of, but the sync tool breaks all the time. It's not as dependable as the Apple built-in software. I love Windows for the simple reason that I really like Office on Windows, especially Excel. It works just better than the Mac version of Office, in my opinion. It always seems like Microsoft kind of makes the Apple software they create kind of like the bastard stepchild, if you know what I mean. But maybe it's getting better, I don't know. I also like PC gaming as well. So that makes Windows a must-have operating system for me, and it runs in a virtual machine on my MacBook Pro along with Windows 10. It's a powerful laptop. It can handle just about anything I throw at it. How about on the OS 10 side? What else do I like? I like Final Cut Motion Compressor. I've got Adobe Audition on there. I've had some people say, look, why don't you get Premiere Pro? It's better than Final Cut, and that way you can be in Windows and not fool around, pay that Apple tax, you know, that expensive Apple. Don't be an Apple fanboy. Go with Premiere. And I said, look, I like Final Cut Pro. That's what I enjoy cutting in. That's what I enjoy. I do it as much as a hobby as anything else. And, you know, so because you think it's a better platform doesn't mean that I think it's a better platform. I've tried Premiere. Final Cut Pro makes more sense to me. But enough about that. How about Linux? Well, when you're setting up CRM systems for companies, especially if you're looking at the open source stuff, then you can't beat how easy it is to set up a LAMP stack. What's LAMP? That's Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. It's brilliant, works great, and best of all, it's free. Also like how customizable Linux is. It lets you get to the underpinnings of the OS and change things and tweak things to your heart's content. So it's a great learning tool and a lot of fun if you're a computer enthusiast of any kind. So that's why I like Linux. How about my iPhone? Love my iPhone, but I'm not a big power user of it. My wife actually uses the iPhone way more than I do. Why? Because I work out of a home office. So I'm not that mobile and so forth. Therefore, I'm not a big power user of the iPhone. But I tell you, I'm very impressed with the looks and design of the Galaxy S6 Edge running Android 5 or Lollipop. I think that is a sweet looking phone, and I would definitely consider one of those as opposed to an iPhone, but I like the iPhone. Now I am selling my iPad Air. I purchased a Surface 3. Why? Because I think the Surface 3 offers more bang for the buck in that price bracket than the iPad, which is essentially a consumption device. Is there going to be an iPad Pro? I don't know. It's a rumor right now. But if it still just runs the mobile version of OS 10, no sale for me. I want a tablet that works as a laptop and tablet both and runs a full version of Windows 10. Why wouldn't I want that dollar for dollar? But again, that's just me. So That's where I'm at. I'm not a fanboy of any particular kind of technology. I don't let technology define who I am or how I run my business or what I do. I think it's mostly my goal to use the best of class of everything I can afford and get some type of return on it. I don't really buy technology just for technology's sake. As a small channel operator of YouTube, in other words, I'm a small content creator, I can't afford to go out and buy expensive hardware to review. And if you try to approach companies to get hardware to review, they want to see your stats, your numbers, how many viewers, your Google Analytics before they cut this stuff go. So when you're small, it's a lot tougher to do. So I'm not going out there and buying stuff just to review it on YouTube. I actually put all this stuff to work. And there'll be times I may go months without really any kind of technology purchase. It's just the way it is. But I hope you enjoy this channel. I hope you like this video. I would like your thoughts on being a fanboy. Are you a fanboy? And if so, do you wear that with pride, or are you open-minded and use the best tool for the job? Tell me your thoughts in the comments down below. Bruce Naylor, I'll talk to you later.